Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto E7 Power, and today I will show you how to insert SIM and SD card into this device. Now for this process we will need a SIM eject tool, which I just dropped. There we go, found it. Which you can find in the box. Now once you get it from there, you'll be able to pop out the tray. Now also you could use a paper clip instead of this and it should work just as well, but anyway, let's get started. Pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side. Once you push it in, the tray should pop out a little bit, and from here you can just yank it out, and you have space for either two different SIM cards or one SIM card and one SD card. If you're planning to use two different SIM cards, you would place one of those SIMs on the SD tray like this, but if you're planning to use one of each, just move it over and then just drop SD on the other tray. From here, when I carefully insert it back into the device, there is nothing holding those cards in place, so they could just fall out if you don't do it carefully. So there we go. Once you insert it into the device, it will automatically tell you to put in a pin for it. I mean, at least in my case, because my SIM card does have a pin. So I will confirm the pin right here. So based on the pin, the SIM card is working, and well, based on this notification right here as well. And let's look for the SD card, which, oh, there we go, SD card is working as well. And that being said, this is how you would insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.